Blood first! Ayan, ito po yung picture. Yung cash prize po ay Miss Nesty after po ng ating awarding na. Once again, congratulations to the team of Blackers, our second runner-up para sa ating SK Unity Cup 2025 Masquina Division. Palakpakan naman po natin sila dahil sila po ang ating second runner-up. And next, our first runner-up ay walang iba kundi ang ating first runner-up ay natagap ng tumatagiging na trophy certificate at 8,000 pesos! And our first runner-up ay walang iba kundi ang komunal na Batang Sentro! Congratulations, kids! Maraming salamat for joining our SKU Cup 2025. Shout out to kay Chuck Del Rosario.